Hello and welcome to this question. So this question says that simplify two whole number 3 over 4 divided by 3 whole number 3 over 8 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. And we can see that this 3 whole number 3 over 8 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2 is inside of a bracket. So we need to apply BODMAS here. That is, we would have to solve what is inside the bracket before we solve what is outside of the bracket. But first of all, anytime you are given fractions and you see that the fractions are in mixed fractions, try and change all mixed fractions to improper fractions first before you start with your solution. So let's first change all the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So it means that this 2 whole number 3 over 4 here, if I'm changing it to an improper fraction, I'll have to multiply this 4 by 2, which will give me 8. Then I'll add the remainder that was at the top to the 8 to make it 11. So it's 4 times 2 plus 3. 4 times 2 plus 3. That becomes your new numerator. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3, that is 11. So it means I have 11 over 4 divided by, then inside the bracket I have 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24, then plus 3. So 8 times 3, 24 plus 3, that will give me 27. So I have 27 at the top divided by 8. Then we'll do the same thing for one whole number 1 over 2. So we have 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, that will give us 3. So we have minus 3 over 2. Alright, once we are done with this, now all our mixed fractions are in improper fractions. So now we can solve what is inside the bracket first. When we are done, we solve together with what is outside of the bracket. I like bringing the implication symbol here for me to know exactly where I am when I'm doing my solution. So first, let's write this. The fact that you are doing what is inside the bracket doesn't mean you shouldn't write what is outside the bracket. So let's solve this. The symbol in between the two terms is the subtraction symbol. That means we need to find the LCM of 8 and 2. And the LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. Now you ask yourself, how many times will 8 go into 8? It is just once. So I'll write this one and I'll multiply it by the 27 at the top. So 8 will go into 8 once and use it to multiply the 27 at the top. Then 2 will also go into 8 4 times. And I'll use it to multiply the 3 at the top. Okay, so let's continue. Now we have 11 over 4 divided by, let's simplify further. 1 times 27 will give us 27 at the top. Then 4 times 3 will give us 12. So we have 27 minus 12 all over 8. We are simplifying further. We have 11 over 4 divided by 27 minus 12. Let's see, 27 minus 12. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So that will give us 15. 15 over 8. You can see that when I was simplifying it, I didn't repeat the bracket. That is because we cannot simplify this any further. We have to now operate it together with the 11 over 4. Okay, so now whenever we have division between two fractions and we want to simplify it, what we do is that we reciprocate the fraction on the right hand side. Reciprocation means that we will turn the fraction upside down so that the denominator now becomes the numerator, then the numerator becomes the denominator, and then the symbol here changes from division to multiplication. So I'm taking it again. Anytime you are doing division of fractions, you will reciprocate the fraction on the right hand side so that the denominator now becomes the numerator, then the numerator becomes the denominator, and then you change this symbol, this division symbol here, to multiplication. So let's do that. Let's do that. So this is what I mean. We have 11 over 4 times 8 over 15. So this is what I mean by reciprocation. We reciprocated the 15 over 8 to 8 over 15 in order to change the symbol. So now the division symbol is now multiplication because we have reciprocated the fraction. Alright, so let's simplify this further. You can see from here that down here we have 4, at the top here we have 8, and we know that 4 can cancel 8 2 times, and 4 can cancel itself once. So it means we have 11 over 1 times 2 over 15. So that is what it means. Now, since you cannot cancel any other numbers out, you can just simplify further. And you see that you are multiplying the numerator. So 11 times 2 is 22 over, and 1 times 15 is just 15. And remember that this is an improper fraction. So when you are getting your solution in an improper fraction, you have to convert it to a mixed fraction. So in converting to a mixed fraction, you ask yourself, how many 15s can I get inside of 22? Or how many times can 15 go inside 22? And that is once. And when you take 15, a group of 15 out of 22, you'll be left with 7, which is the remainder over 15. So this becomes your answer. One whole number, 7 over 15. Thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel to help us. I hope you learned something. Try and go over more questions so that you get the understanding well. Alright, see you in another video. Goodbye.